Welcome to Sneha Gode Programming Language channel. And so, as we know, we have started the C programming language playlist. So, our today's topic of discussion is writing down and compiling our first C program along with the explanation of it, the line by line explanation of it. So, I have just opened this terminal. Here we can see that main.c. So here we are going to perform the we are going to execute this particular file in a C language. That's why here we have used the C. Here we can see the language, right? So here you can choose the language from here. So if we are going to write down choose a C++, the main.cpp, the extension will come for the execution of it will be cpp. If you will go for the Java, so extension will become like main.java. If you'll go for the PHP, extension will be .php. If you'll go for the Ruby, Perl, Python 3, so the extension is py. So likewise here, as the languages are going to be changed, the extension of that saving and compiling that particular main file is going to be changed. Okay, so as we are going to execute this program in a C language, here we have written the file name as a main and .c is our extension. Okay, so here we are going to write down a program now. So here I'm going to write down hash include stdio.h. This stdio.h. Okay, so what is the meaning of this stdio.h? Here this double slash is this double backslash is used for commenting out something. So I'm just writing down what are the terms I'm going to write it down. It is not going to be read by the compiler and it will not be executed by the compiler. So here first of all, what is this hash? Hash is nothing but the preprocessor. Okay, so we are including the preprocessor. That's why we are going to use this include. Okay, so we are including which preprocessor we are including here. Header file stdio.h header file we are going to include. What is the meaning of stdio? Standard input output. This header file, that .h, is used for header file. Okay, so here we are including the preprocessor standard input output header file. This preprocessor we are including over here. Okay, then every program starts execution from the main function. So here we are going to write down int main. Now here main opening and the closing bracket. Okay, main opening and the closing bracket. First of all, integer is a data type, means this function is going to return the integer type of data. Okay, then after that main is a keyword, and this opening and closing bracket, this is called as function. Okay, for example, if I'm taking my name Sneha and I'm just using this opening and closing bracket, so now this Sneha is converted into the function. Okay, so any name or any name is attached with the opening and the closing simple brackets, then it turns into the function in terms of the C language. Okay, so this is our main function. So as I told you, every program starts execution from the main function. That main function is of which data type? It is going to follow the integer data type. Okay, so this function is going to return the integer data type. Now here we are going to print something. Okay, so printf. Okay, printf opening and closing simple brackets, and after that whatever the things we are going to write down in the double quotes is going to be printed as it is on our screen. Okay, so here I'm going to write down hello world. Okay, so this is a standard program. Anyone is going to start the programming, so they are going to start with their famous program, that is the hello world printing program. Then after that, here return 0. So why we are returning 0? Because our main function is of integer data type. So here we have to write down this return 0. So here printf, the definition of the printf is written in the standard input output header file. Okay, so what is the work of this printf? The whatever the data is present inside the double quotes, it is going to be print as it is on the screen in the output. Okay, so printf is used to print the data on output screen. Okay, and then return 0. So as our function contains the integer data type, so here we are going to return the 0 value, return or any integer value we are going to return over here. So the compiler will get to know that here we need to stop. Okay, no further instruction are there to execute. Okay, and here then the closing curly brackets. Okay, let's execute it. So I'm going to run this. Here you can see hello world is printed, right? So the program finished with the exit 0 code. Press enter to exit the console. Okay, if I'm going to press enter, now we are coming to this particular. Okay, so hope this is clear for everyone that how you are going to print your first program, that is the hello world program. If you like the program and the explanation, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. If you are having any doubt, you can ask in the chat box or in the comments you can tell me. Okay, thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we'll see the hello world, more explanation and and more programs related to this printf, scanf and involving the more detailed program of C language. Thank you.